It's Squadron Dude, and I bring you guys another review, and a kind of better one actually. It is an RC car, but not like the ones I've been showing you guys. It is an RC Power Wheel. Show you guys the dashboard of it real quick. Show you its functions. This is the go forward or backwards, depending on what you want to do. The battery's underneath the seat. Show you guys that real quick. It's got two 12-volt motors. Wiring was kind of difficult, at the same time kind of easy if you can understand Chinese instruction manuals. But so far, this is a beautiful car, guys. Right here is where you charge it. Take off its fake gas cap, and it's got a little charging port right there, so you can see. They did really good with its exterior design. They gave it like an Audi back, like a Corvette style front with like a Bugatti middle almost. Well, I'll show you guys its features. It's got a little fake speedometer. It's got your power meter, what your battery's at. It's actually pretty cool, actually. It's got MP3 hookup to volume. It does play music. As you guys can hear, it's got different things of music. And a horn. But it goes 4 miles an hour max, according to the thing. Yeah, turn it back on real quick, guys. But this is the difference between it. It uses this lovely thing. Forward, backwards too. I'm not doing that right now because it is nighttime where I'm at. But it's got bright lights too, for front and back. Well, a lot of people are going to look at this and be like, oh, what the fuck? Like, how the hell is this thing steering and driving on its own? Backlights are amazing. I don't know, let me know what you guys think about this. My daughter absolutely loves it. I love it too. It's beautiful looking. It's one of the best ones they got out there. Get it on Amazon, guys. $200. And on top of that, you have to put it all together yourself. I was going to show you guys an unboxing video of this, but my daughter got too excited and the battery took forever to charge, so there's a lot of wiring and putting together. Other than that, it's beautiful. I know what you guys think about it. Other than that, signing out now, guys.